Hello everyone, myself Akansha, and in this video we will discuss about James Webb Telescope. In July 2022, NASA released the first set of images taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. Now let us discuss why James Webb Telescope is important in news these days. So telescopes are sent into space to get a clearer view of planets, stars and galaxies. Telescopes can look back in time because light takes time to travel from one place to another. When we see distant objects, we are not seeing them how they are now. Instead, we are seeing how they are when they emitted that light. For example, James Webb Telescope spotted the death of a star about 2500 light years away. So, that death of a star happened not now but 2500 years ago. James Webb Space Telescope, which was launched in 25th December 2021, is an international collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. James Webb Telescope is the biggest telescope in space and more efficient than its predecessor Hubble. The mirror used in James Webb Telescope is 6.5 meters wide, the biggest telescope mirror ever. The mirror is nearly 3 times larger than the Hubble. Hence, James Webb Telescope is able to take the deepest and the clearest pictures of space. James Webb can record infrared spectrum, whereas Hubble can only see visible and ultraviolet rays. Now what happens is lights get stretched into longer wavelength and thereby moves from visible to infrared spectrum when it travels across millions of years away. Therefore, James Webb can be used to capture extremely distant galaxies. James Webb Telescope consists of high-frequency radio transmitter to send the data to Earth. Also, it is expected that James Webb Telescope will last more than 10 years. Among the images that James Webb Telescope sent, a few images were released by NASA. One image shows the galaxies over 1.5 billion light years away. The second image is of a giant gaseous exoplanet, a planet outside of our solar system, about 1000 light years away. The third image shows the death of a star about 2500 light years away. The fourth image shows mountains and valleys about 7600 light years away. The fifth image shows a cluster of galaxies about 5.12 billion light years away. Overall, James Webb Telescope is the biggest telescope launched in space ever. It is taking farthest, deepest and clearest pictures of space. This information is very useful in studying how new stars and galaxies are formed. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.